on my board today, I have the results of Treasury bills that were released on the 2nd of July 2025. That is the first Thursday of the year 2025. If you are not aware, Treasury bills are floated every week. So in every week we have three treasury bills that are floated by the Central Bank of Kenya. And these are the results. They are released every Thursday. And we get to check and see what is happening in the Treasury bills market. The major change in the Treasury bills market has been a change of interest rates from a high of 16% to around 9, 10, 11 where we are right now. So let's see what was on offer. And we always have three Treasury bills. That is the 91 days, then the 182 days, and the 364 days. And for the 91 days, the government intended to borrow 4 billion. But Kenyans were very generous. They offered 7.9 billion. That is a 199% achievement. So we had oversubscription by almost double in the 91-day Treasury bills. For the 182 days Treasury bills, we had the government wanted to borrow 10B, but Kenyans were only willing to give 6.07B. So that is a 60% achievement. For the 364 days, the government wanted to borrow 10B, but Kenyans were only willing to offer 1.6B. That is a 16% achievement. And for the total, the government intended to borrow 24 billion that week. But Kenyans only offered 15.684 billion. That is a 65% achievement. And for the interest rate, I'm doing a small comparison between the previous week because we have had a downward trend for the last few months in the Treasury bills rates. Maybe 2 months ago we were around 16%, and you can see now we are at around 9%, already in a single digit. So for this week, for the 91 days Treasury bills, we had 9.8252%. That is a drop from the previous week by 0.0694%. For the 182 days, we had 10.0259%. That is an increase from last week by 0.0034, a very small increase. And for the 364 days, we had 11.3711%. That is a drop from last week by around 0.0384%. So the interest rate is still on a downward trajectory, but at least now the rate of decrease has reduced because the rate is decreasing at with very few points, and we even had the 182 days interest rate going up. So maybe this is the area where the interest rates will get to stabilize, and we can already see the effect of the reduced Treasury bills rates by seeing the amount that investors are willing to invest. Previously, we used to have even 200% achievement, finding that government had an intention to borrow 24 billion, but you could find Kenyans offering 50 billion. So a 15% is really a decrease, and that is one of the effects of the reduced interest rates. And maybe investors has gone out of their way to find investment that offer better returns than the Treasury bills. So that is what is going on in the Treasury bills market. Let's just wait and see and get to see what happened to the rates. But for the investors, it's a negative thing. But if you get to view this thing, if you get to view it in a wider perspective, yeah, it is for the good of economy, because as the investment rates goes down, the borrowing rates also goes down. So you can be able to access cheaper credit from your institutions, that is the bank, the circles, such. Again, the decrease in government securities interest rates will discourage banks and other financial institutions from investing their money here. So what they do is that they will focus more on offering credit to the members of the public, and we hope that we will work for the better of our economy. So see you in the next video.